Gold has always had a special place in the hearts and portfolio of investors. Often referred to as the safe haven asset, it has been a popular investment choice for centuries. In today's DITM, we will talk about gold, explore the performance of gold this year, and highlight three net-worthy gold stocks that are in focus: PC Jewellers, Senco Gold, and Sky Gold. First things first, let's see how gold has performed over the years. If you see the image from the four asset classes of equity, debt, real estate and gold, equity has been the best performing asset class overall, with strong returns in several years, particularly in 2017 and 2021, while gold has been a mixed bag. It has performed well in some years, especially during times of economic uncertainty, but has also underperformed in others. In 2024, gold has gained attention due to factors like geopolitical tensions, economic concerns, inflation, and a weakening US dollar, maintaining its status as a safe haven asset. Now, just to give it a little more context, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in the year 2024, you would have generated 1.21 lakhs in equity, followed by 1.20 by investing in gold, and out of the four, real estate generated the least amount of returns in 2024 based on the RBI All India House Price Index. If you wish to know more about gold and the modern ways of investing, you can watch our detailed Third Empire video done by Rahul. Let's talk about the Indian jewelry retail market and how it's been evolving. Now, traditionally, this market has been dominated by the unorganized sector. Small jewelry shops and family-run businesses spread across the country. But things are changing and the organized players are starting to make their presence felt. Why is this happening? Think about it. When you buy jewelry from an organized retailer, what do you get? More variety in designs and products, transparent pricing, you know exactly what you're paying for, including standardized making charges. Hallmark jewelry, which gives you the assurance of purity. And on top of that, there is the assured exchange value, which means you can trade your gold jewelry with confidence. All of this builds trust, and that is why more people are gravitating towards organized players. Let me throw some numbers at you. Back in FY01, organized players had only 10% of the market, but by FY22, the share jumped to 33%, and it's expected to keep growing in the coming years. What's driving this growth? Well, there are few things. India's economy is expanding, which means more people have money to spend. Rising disposable incomes are making jewelry, especially branded and premium pieces, more accessible. And then there's the growing interest in diamonds and other precious stones. Jewelry is no longer just about gold. People are exploring new categories as well. Now let's look at the market size. As of FY23, the Indian jewelry retail market is valued at around 6.3 lakh crores, and it's expected to grow at a CAGR of 5.5% between FY22 to FY27. So what's the big picture here? The market is growing, yes, but more importantly, organized players are taking bigger slice of the pie. Now let's move on and discuss the three gold-related stocks: Senco Gold, PC Jewellers and Sky Gold, along with some key corporate announcements. Let's start with PC Jewellers. Today, PC Jewellers stock hit the upper circuit, and the buzz is all about their recently announced stock split. Before we get into the details, let's understand the business of PC Jewellers. PC Jeweller Limited, established in 2005 in New Delhi, focuses on the manufacturing, retail and the export of jewelry. Its product range includes hallmarked gold jewelry, certified diamond pieces and silver articles. As of March 31, 2024, PC Jewellers operates 60 showrooms across 12 states and 3 union territories. Now, coming to the stock split, imagine you have a single slice of pizza. Now, picture that slice being divided into 10 smaller pieces. The total size of the pizza hasn't changed, it's just been divided differently. That's exactly how a stock split does. In a stock split, a company increases the number of shares by dividing existing ones into multiple smaller units. The overall market capitalization stays the same, but the number of shares increases. Now, here's what PC Jewellers announced. For every one share you currently own with a face value of Rs 10, you will now have 10 shares with a face value of Rs 1 each. The total value of your investment remains unchanged. It's just split into smaller and more affordable units. Likewise, trading at 187 on Friday, after today's record date, the share has been split into smaller and more affordable units of 18 rupees per share. Why does the company do this? The primary goal is to make the stock more accessible to everyday investors. When individual share prices are lower, more people can afford to invest, which usually increases the market trading activity or liquidity. The bottom line here is if you own the shares of PC Jewellers, your holdings will be split into 10 smaller shares for every share you had earlier. While the number of shares increases, the overall value of your investment remains the same. It's just divided into smaller parts. Now, next is Sky Gold. Sky Gold Limited, founded in 2005, based in Mumbai, specializes in designing, manufacturing and marketing 22-karat gold jewelry. The company focuses on lightweight jewelry and offers a variety of designs including plain gold, studded and Turkish jewelry. With a team of over 450 employees, Sky Gold's products are available in more than 2,000 retail outlets across India and over 500 outlets globally. Sky Gold's shares surged 5% today as they turned ex-date for the 9:1 bonus share issue. Now, what does this mean? A 9:1 bonus means shareholders will receive 9 additional shares for every 1 share they own. For example, if you own 100 shares, you will get 900 bonus shares, making your total to 1,000. Here are some key points for investors. To qualify for the bonus, you must have bought the shares on or before December 16, 2024, due to the T+1 settlement cycle. If the share price of a company is expensive, fewer investors can afford to buy it. Now, investors typically think twice before entering stocks with a higher per unit price. Issuance of bonus shares increases the number of shares and reduces the price per share, making it more affordable for retail investors. Now, if you see the image, share price was reduced to 465 today from 4,675 per share on Friday's closing. In addition, more stocks in the market enable liquidity. That is, a stock can be bought and sold in the market more easily or quickly. In case you are still wondering whether wealth is created through the issuance of bonus shares, the clear answer seems to be no. While bonus shares may increase the quantity of the shares held by investors, it's crucial to note that they typically reduce the market price per share. The last stock we'll talk about today is Senco Gold. Senco Gold recently raised 459 crore rupees through a qualified institutional placement. Let me break this down for you. Now, what is a QIP, you may ask? A qualified institutional placement is when a listed company raises funds by issuing shares to institutional investors like mutual funds, insurance companies, or foreign portfolio investors. It's a quick and efficient way for companies to raise capital without going through the lengthy process of public offering. What did Senco Gold do? The company issued 40.8 lakh equity shares at a price of 1,125 rupees per share. After this QIP, Senco Gold's paid up equity share capital increased from 77.72 crore rupees to 81.80 crore. In simpler terms, there are now more shares of the company in the market. The QIP attracted big institutional players, including Tata AIA Life Insurance Company, which took 14.49% of the issue size. Other notable investors like Tata Multicap Fund, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, and BOFA Securities Europe also participated. Why did Senco Gold raise funds? The company is on an aggressive expansion spree and plans to open 18 to 20 new stores every year. This capital will give Senco the financial strength to fuel their growth strategy and strengthen their position in the expanding jewelry market. What does this mean for the investors? For current and potential investors, this QIP and expansion plans signal confidence in the jewelry market's growth. Keep an eye on how these new stores contribute to revenue and profitability, as that will determine the long-term success of this move. These were the corporate actions from these gold stocks and hence they are in focus. Having said that, this is Neha signing off.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.